A 2006 Porsche Cayman S with the Porsche CATLESS race exhaust. All right, Porsche XS something. I don't know. I don't remember. Put the head cam on, do a little video of it here, and let you guys enjoy it. See, it doesn't take long to get to 100. So we still got to fix the catalytic converter little spacer pieces. They're close, but they're not all the way right. So whenever you floor it, sometimes you get a code. Not all the time. Cayman. What is the limit to cornering this car? I don't know. It's a lot further than I want to push it. I can tell you that right now. So you can take this. This is like a 35-mile-an-hour corner. Took it 63. You probably could have took it at 120 and it still would have been no problem. Guys asking about the M5. Does my M5, is it as fast as this car? Maybe in a straight line on the interstate, but every other aspect, no, it's not. I mean, this is a much smaller, a much more capable, faster around corners especially. Most about this exhaust, it took the nastiness out of the idle. See, the idle was just like a low tone to it, and it's not before. It was just nasty. It didn't sound good. It was just loud. All right, so we're back at the house here. We're gonna grab our light, and I'm gonna show you what we did with this exhaust in case you want to know. Maybe you don't want to know. If you don't want to know, don't watch it, I guess, right? That's how it is. Okay, so here's where we're at. We have it up on the lift. this is how we end up with these pipes. This car is hard to do exhaust on. There's no room, right? So we got it in very close to here. We're about 3/8 of an inch off of the transmission mount. We're about a little more than a 1/2 inch on that side. He just has welded up to here because we changed the exhaust once. So we cut the existing rod, he put on off, re-welded this on to the very edge of the muffler. These are those Borla XS mufflers. And then he has it. This was very difficult to get this around and like that. But we got it. And so he has it like a pie cut here. And it goes on to the factory pipe. All right. And tips, he has all the tips done. Everything's done up very nice. Howard did a really good job on this. And he watched these videos. So if you guys are in where I'm at, Missouri, towards Perryville area, and you get your exhaust done, get a hold of Howard. It was 61 auto, 61 muffler. I can't remember. If I think about it, when I edit this video, I'll put it down below. But he did it for a real good price. We double hung up here. We put a brace here and a brace there. Because the first time we did it, we only had one on the bottom. And we noticed that after it heated up, the tips are getting a little bit uneven. Like so. And it worked out real good. And we kept all the factory brackets here. So if you ever want to put the factory, bolt a cat back pre-done system on, you can just cut this off right there and you're good to go. We still retain the factory collectors up here. Nice purpley looking stainless headers. And that's pretty much it. Other than the oxygen sensor spacers, we need to sort out. Have those both facing towards the front of the car. Maybe they flip around facing towards the back. I don't really know. And between that and these brakes, those pads are junk. I mean, they're just getting gummy on the rotors. We got to do something with those pretty soon. But I've been looking at another car, heavily looking at another car. I can't tell you what it is yet. I have to see. Tomorrow's Monday, so I can't do anything until tomorrow. Today's Sunday, we're shooting this video. Maybe we'll do a poll in your feed for you guys to see what car you think it is or what car you think I should get. It's a big purchase. It's the biggest purchase I've ever made. If this goes through, right? So it is, or will be, a 600 plus horsepower vehicle. So yeah, we'll keep you updated. I'll know a lot more tomorrow. I'll keep you guys updated on this channel. I probably may or may not post the videos on this channel. We'll have to see how it all works out. That's gonna be it, guys. It's gonna be all for today's video. A little bit of drive, a little bit of how this all ended up. A lot of you guys are wondering. We'll try to do some flybys, and then we have some racing to do between this and the M5. So we'll see how it all pans out. All right, guys. Thanks a lot. See you very soon. Have a good day.